This is a video of Lennox model number PDVD1300, which was sent in by an electrical store in Lightning Ridge, New South Wales. The fault given for this machine was that it cannot load discs. When the door is shut, you need to keep your hand on it so then it can load, and then when your hand is removed, it won't load the disc and it won't be able to play. But we'll show you now that it can play the disc normally. So we will just shut the lid and now the system will load the disc. Now we'll press play on the unit. I will forward to a different section of the disc. I will start playback again. And nothing is being held down on the unit while it's playing back the disc.